Have you ever felt like the ground beneath your work is shifting faster than you ever imagined? If you're in the online world, freelancing, remote work, content creation, you might want to pay attention. Before we dive in, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe, because what we're about to uncover could change the way you see your career forever. It's no secret that technology has always disrupted work. The printing press, the steam engine, the internet, they all redefined how people earned a living. But today, we're facing something different, something faster, something that doesn't just tweak jobs, it could replace them entirely. Artificial intelligence isn't coming slowly. It's already here, quietly learning, quietly watching. And the truth is, it's moving faster than most of us realize. I'm talking about AI that can write articles, design logos, code software, manage social media accounts, and even compose music. Jobs that used to take hours, sometimes days, can now be done in minutes. And the kicker, some of this work isn't just faster, it's better in ways humans struggle to match. Imagine this. You spend an hour crafting the perfect marketing email, pouring your creativity into every word. Meanwhile, an AI tool can analyze thousands of emails, predict which words convert best, and produce a version that statistically performs better than anything you just wrote, all in under a minute. And it doesn't get tired, it doesn't get distracted, and it doesn't ask for vacation. But it's not just the big tasks. AI is creeping into freelance work, content creation, even tutoring and consulting. For decades, online work promised freedom. Freedom from offices, freedom from bosses, freedom to work from anywhere. That freedom is now under threat. Not because humans aren't talented, but because AI can replicate, enhance, and deliver at a scale that humans can't compete with. Here's the part that keeps most people up at night. This isn't the distant future. It's happening right now. I spoke with a freelance designer last week who told me her client recently switched to using AI-generated designs for faster turnaround. She's still employed, but her rate has dropped dramatically, and she spends more time convincing clients that her human touch still matters. And she's not alone. Across industries, from writing to coding to digital marketing, people are realizing that AI isn't just a tool anymore. In many cases, it's a replacement. And yet here's where it gets complicated, because AI isn't perfect. It lacks nuance, intuition, and emotional intelligence, the qualities that make human work truly resonate. That's why some experts argue that instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it. But embracing it doesn't mean everything will stay the same. It means adapting, pivoting, and in many cases, rethinking what we do for a living. The question we have to ask ourselves is this: are we ready for a world where your job doesn't just evolve? It might disappear, where skills you've honed for years could be overshadowed by algorithms and machine learning in weeks. And more importantly, how do you survive and even thrive in a landscape where AI sets the pace? Because here's the truth, this is bigger than just losing a few clients or struggling with automation tools. This is a fundamental shift in the economy, in the way we think about work, and in the value we place on human labor. Some people see opportunity, others see doom. And in the middle of it all, most of us are trying to figure out whether we're ready or whether we're already too late. And that brings us to the stories that reveal just how real this shift has become. These aren't hypotheticals. These are real people, right now, seeing their livelihoods change in ways they never expected. Take the story of Emma, a content writer from New York. Just 2 years ago, she was thriving, writing articles, managing blogs, and building a steady client base. But then came the AI wave. One by one, her clients started experimenting with AI-generated content. At first, Emma thought she could outpace it with quality and creativity. But the AI wasn't just fast, it learned her style. Soon, she realized her hours of work could be replicated in minutes by software that never sleeps, never tires, and never negotiates rates. Emma didn't give up, she pivoted. She started focusing on consultancy, guiding companies on strategy, storytelling, and brand voice, things AI couldn't fully replicate. Today, she's busier than ever, but her income model looks completely different. She had to adapt or risk disappearing. Then there's David, a freelance graphic designer from Sydney. His story is both cautionary and enlightening. When AI image generators became mainstream, David noticed a sudden drop in commissions. Some clients even admitted they were testing AI for faster turnaround. For the first time, David faced a harsh reality. The skill he had spent years mastering could be partially automated. But David didn't quit. Instead, he learned to integrate AI into his workflow, using it for drafts and brainstorming while adding his human touch to the final design. Now, he delivers work faster, with a unique edge AI alone couldn't provide. These stories reveal a critical lesson. AI isn't just a threat, it's a catalyst. It forces people to rethink how they work, how they add value, and what truly sets humans apart. Speed, efficiency, and quantity are no longer enough. What matters most now is creativity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to adapt. And yet there's a looming tension. Not everyone will or can adapt this quickly. Entire sectors of online work are at risk. Freelancers, virtual assistants, content creators, even programmers face a new reality. The demand for purely task-based roles is shrinking. Those who rely solely on routine skills risk being replaced. But there's a flip side. For those willing to evolve, opportunities are emerging like never before. New niches are opening up. AI trainers, prompt engineers, human-AI collaboration specialists, and consultants who can translate complex AI output into actionable strategies. The secret: understanding the technology, but never losing the human element that AI can't replicate. The bigger picture is even more profound. This isn't just about individual survival, it's about the future of work itself. The online world, once a symbol of freedom, is transforming into a landscape where adaptability and strategic thinking define success. AI doesn't replace humans completely. It forces a reinvention of what human work really means. So what does this mean for you watching right now? It means awareness is your first weapon. Understanding how AI is reshaping your field is critical. And taking action, learning new skills, leveraging AI as a partner rather than a competitor, and focusing on human-centric strengths is how you stay relevant. The question is no longer if AI will change online work. The question is, will you be part of the wave or swept away by it? Because the truth is, AI isn't waiting. It isn't negotiating, it isn't pausing for anyone to catch up. The transformation is happening right now. The jobs we thought were safe are shifting, evolving, or vanishing. And within this change lies a choice: resist and risk obsolescence, or adapt and thrive in a world where human ingenuity works hand in hand with AI. So take a moment to reflect on your skills, your goals, and your vision for the future. Ask yourself what only you can offer that AI cannot replicate. That's your edge. That's your survival. And more than survival, it's the path to thriving in the new era of online work. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss insights that could shape your future. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you ready for the AI revolution, or do you feel the ground shifting beneath you? Either way, the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.